Welcome to Maths class. In this video, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 1.1 in the chapter fractions. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Subdivision 1, 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 equal to dash. The answer is 14 1 by 4. In addition of fractions, first we add the whole numbers and then add the fractions 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we get 7 plus 6 equal to 13. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 gives 1 by 4. So again we add the whole numbers 13 and 1, we get 14, 1 by 4. Subdivision 2. The sum of whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Subdivision 3. 5 1 by 3 minus 3 1 by 2 equal to dash. In subtraction of fractions, first we find the difference between the whole numbers 5 and 3. And then we subtract 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So the answer is 5 by 6. Subdivision 4. 8 is divided by 1 by 2 equal to dash. In division of fractions, we take the reciprocal of the second fraction 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Now we multiply 8 and 2 by 1, we get 16 is the answer. Subdivision 5. The number which has its own reciprocal is dash. The answer is 1. Second question, say true or false. Subdivision 1. 3 1 by 2 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 2. It is true. Subdivision 2. The sum of any two proper fractions is always an improper fraction. This is false. Subdivision 3. The mixed fraction of 13 by 4 is 3 1 by 4. This is true. 13 is divided by 4, we get 3 1 by 4. So it is true. Subdivision 4. The reciprocal of an improper fraction is always a proper fraction. The statement is true. Question number 5. 3 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 4, we get 9 1 by 16. This is false. Question number 3. Answer the following. Subdivision 1. Find the sum of 1 by 7 and 3 by 9. 1 by 7 plus 3 by 9 is the question. So, here two different denominators are present. So, first we convert the common denominator. So, we do the common, we find the common multiple of 7 and 9 is 63. So 1 by 7 becomes as 9 by 63 by the multiplication of 9 by 9. And 3 by 9 becomes as 21 by 63 by the multiplication of 7 by 7. So 1 by 7 plus 3 by 9 is equal to 9 by 63 plus 21 by 63. Here the two fractions have same denominator, so we add only numerators. 9 plus 21 by 63, we get 30 by 63. So simplifying 30 by 63 by 3 by 3, we get 10 by 21. So the sum of 1 by 7 and 3 by 9 equal to 10 by 21. Question number 2. What is the total of 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6? So we find the sum of 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6. So first we add the whole numbers 3 and 4. 3 plus 4, 7, and then add the fractions 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. So we find the same denominator 6. So 1 by 3 becomes as 2 by 6 and 1 by 6 stays as 1 by 6. Now we have same denominator, so we add only numerators. So 2 plus 1 by 6 equal to 3 by 6. Now simplify the fraction 3 by 6, we get 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2 equal to 7 1 by 2. So the sum of 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 6 equal to 7 1 by 2. Question number 3. Simplify 1 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 7. Now we add the whole numbers first and then we add the fractions 3 by 5 plus 4 by 7. 1 by 5 we get 6. 3 by 5 plus 4 by 7. Here two different denominators. So we get the same denominator by cross multiplication method. So 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5. 3 7s are 21 plus 4 5s are 20. Now add the numerators 21 plus 20. Here we multiply the denominators 7 5s are 35. So 6 plus 41 by 35. 41 by 35 is the improper fraction. So improper fraction 41 by 35 is converted to mixed fraction 1 by 1 6 by 35. Again we add the whole number 6 and 1, we get 7. 7 plus 6 35 equal to 7 6 35. So the sum of 1 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 7 equal to 7 6 by 35. Question number 4. Find the difference between 8 by 9 and 2 by 7. 8 by 9 becomes as 56 by 63 by the multiplication of 7 by 7. 2 by 7 becomes as 18 by 63 by the multiplication of 9 by 9. Now we compare the fractions 56 by 63 and 18 by 63. Here 56 by 63 is the larger one than 18 by 63. 56 by 63 is derived from 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 is larger than 2 by 7. Now we subtract 2 by 7 from 8 by 9 equal to 56 by 63 minus 18 by 63. Here both the denominators are same. So we find the difference between the numerators 56 and 18. 56 minus 18 divided by 63 equal to 38 by 63. So the difference between 8 by 9 and 2 by 7 gives 38 by 63. Question number 5. Subtract 1 3 by 5 and 2 1 by 3. In this sum, first we convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 2 1 by 3 is converted to 7 by 3 and 1 3 by 5 is converted to 8 by 5. Now we get same denominator by cross multiplication method. 3 5s are 15 and 7 into 5 minus 8 into 3 equal to 7 5s are 35 minus 8 3s are 24 divided by 15 equal to 11 by 15. So subtraction of 2 1 by 3 and 1 3 by 5 gives 11 by 15 is the answer. Question number 6. Simplify 7 2 by 7 minus 3 4 by 21. Here 7. First we find the difference between the whole number 7 and 3. We get 4. And in second step we find the difference between 2 by 7 and 4 by 21. So there are two different denominators, so we get the same denominator. We find common multiple of 7 and 21 is 21. So 2 by 7 becomes as 6 by 21 by the multiplication of 3 by 3. And 4 by 21 stays as 4 by 21. Here both the denominator are same, so we find the difference between the numerator 6 and 4. 6 minus 4 by 21 we get 2 by 21. 4 plus 2 by 21 equal to 4 to 21. So the answer is 4 2 by 21. Students, I hope you have understood the sums in exercise 1.1. Thank you.